guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is the first video that you're coming across with me. I'm Brittany K here, and I'm just jumping right into the video because I don't know if I didn't shoot an intro on purpose or not, but I'm just gonna do this voiceover. Later on, I do talk in the video, so this is the only part I'm gonna do a voiceover for. But basically, I'm just gluing down the hair with the boho lace. I mean, not the hair. I'm gluing down the wig with the boho lace glue, and I'm putting it just before my edges, like right on my hairline, so it won't touch my edges. And actually, my hair is pulled back into a bun. I usually braid my hair down, like all the time. I braid my hair back. I was just lazy and I didn't do that for this time, but yeah, it's okay. It's still gonna lay right. It's still gonna look flat. But yeah, I'm just gluing the wig down in this first beginning part, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I had to bring it out to the bathroom with me. I lost my spray bottle. I think I left it at home. I'm just about to wet it. Put some mousse on it. And then I'm gonna take this off. And then we're gonna try to style it. I mean, not style it, but like we're gonna do my desired look for this hair. So y'all see this? This is the before. Well, I actually wet this earlier, kind of, and then I combed it, doing too much. So this is how I look right now, before. And then let me wet it, y'all gonna see that after. I'm actually gonna put some mousse on it because I don't like the way it dries with just water. This is cute though. Okay, let me put some mousse. This is the mousse I'm using. So I'm using Vigoro Olive Oil Mega Moisture. I think they actually have one for curls, but I don't have that. So we just gotta work with what we got. It's not gonna focus because it's too much light in the bathroom. So I'll make sure I put this in the description. So this is all I want to use. Y'all see that? I can't even see it. Okay, y'all, so I was actually wearing this hair earlier, and I don't usually pluck my wigs, or do baby hair. So I'm like, okay, let me try. Let me try with this wig. So I plucked only this side of the wig earlier. And then I looked at the camera and I said, oh, well maybe I should pluck it. So now I just finally plucked this side and then I installed it. Cause I'm gonna have to wear this curly hair for a little while cause it's cute.
screenshot? Say no, just kidding. Alright. Let me see if I can turn it the camera around so I can see how I look in the mirror, because this light. Okay, so now I'm about to take this off and show you guys how it's looking. Oh, it's blurry. So like I said, I never do baby hairs, but today I'm going to do baby hairs. I know, kind of nervous, but I actually don't use makeup either, but I think I'm going to go in with makeup right here. Like, I don't know if you could tell. See? I just think I should go in with a little makeup. Even though it's not that bad, I just want to go in with a little makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do. But so far, this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I don't know if I told y'all this or not, but I don't wear makeup, so this is just, I don't know what it is. Some random powdered makeup. I just got it, I don't know. Looks like my skin color, so I'm just gonna use this on it. I always do. Of course, it's making that noise because I just with it, put mousse on it. Ow! That hurt my hand. Look, this didn't glue down all the way. Wow, whatever. Alright. So now let's go in with a little makeup. Kind of nervous because I don't use makeup. Don't use it, don't wear it. Scared of it. So no, just kidding. So let's see. Okay, I think this is the best that I can do. Okay, so let me zoom back out. I'm actually gonna wear me a little headband. And then I'm gonna do my edges first and then wear a headband. So maybe I should zoom back in. Okay, that's the best I could do. Okay, let's do this. And also, I didn't cut them because, like I said, I don't do baby hairs, so I want them to still be long when I do push them back. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and put my headband on because I feel like I'm gonna just mess them up if I keep going. Oh yeah, you guys, it's drying up, so this is what it's looking like while it's drying. Mind you, I didn't wet this part because it was tied up underneath my bandana, so I'm gonna go back and wet that and come back to you guys. Look at that. It didn't glue down. Actually, I'm going to flat iron. I mean, hot comb this part down a bit. And then hot comb this part down a bit. Okay, so now I can push this back more. Okay. Let me go wet this part because it's irritating me. Let me go wet this part. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, this is the finishing look. So cute. I am my model. Somebody booked me. So no. Alright, so this is the finishing look. How do I look? Tell me the truth. What did I do wrong? What should I fix? What look crazy? Let me come closer so you can see. Now I'm about to go take some pictures because why wouldn't I when I look like this? I actually need to hurry up. I got a paper due tonight and I'm fooling. Like, why am I doing this? But this wig is from African Mall. I'll put the link to this hair down below. This is 22 inches, I believe. But when it's curled, it's more like a 16 inch. So, or 18, more like an 18 when it's curled. 18, 16. But thanks for watching my video. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment because I will respond, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on social media if you want to stay updated with me. We'll put all of that in the description box. If you guys like this hair, give me a thumbs up if y'all like this style. And leave me a comment because I'm going to respond. And thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one.